sing like a choir. We need to get out of this class. It's time for another prank.
Guys, as you can see up there's a loudspeaker. I've just checked on my phone and that speaker is Bluetooth. So I'm going to connect my phone to the speaker and play a fire alarm sound. So we'll have to evacuate the classroom and start the lesson.
It's just a prank.
Well, guys, looks like we've got the classroom to ourselves.
Guys, this is amazing. Mr. Nobles has been gone for 15 minutes now. He was that scared, I think he's left the whole building. But when he realises the building's not on fire, he's not going to be happy at all. Guys, can you hear that? I think I can hear footsteps.
Mr. Nobles.
I think you're right. I think he's coming. Guys, don't worry. I have a plan for the next prank. Let's all find hiding spaces in the room, and it'll be like a game of hide and seek from the teacher. Good idea.
You guys thought you could pull that trick on me with that fake fire alarm. Well, now there's gonna be hell to pay. It looks like you're all hiding. I'm the king of hide and seek. Jensen, what a pathetic hiding space. You're out. Jill. I'm surprised you even managed to fit under that table. You're out. Martin, if you wanted to hide in the rubbish bag, you should have hidden your shiny bald head. You're out. Is this what you call a hiding spot? Or are you just having a... Now, you're out. Right, now I've found all of you. It's time to continue with my class.
Hey, Mr. Nobles, you forgot about me!
Don't worry, Darren. I didn't forget about you. But looking at the colour of your hair, I just assumed you'd passed away of old age.